नित्यानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि. Nityanandam. I welcome all of you for this live broadcast of Akashic readings and the live Q&A session, the live question answer session about his Akashic readings. Today, I'll be answering anything that you are asking about manifesting different powers or manifesting all the Shaktis that Swamiji is gifting us, or anything regarding this Akashic reading, anything. Any question you have regarding this, you can put it in the comments box and I will be answering it live for you. And you can also get different things clarified within yourself today. So you can ask me any question that you're having regarding Akashic readings or regarding manifestation of powers, any doubt that you're having based on like what is there stopping you from manifesting a power or whatever problem that you have, you can ask me. But one request is don't ask me any personal question like any personal Akashic reading that you want to have it. If you want your Akashic reading to be there for you, I'll be posting the link for Akashic records, the Akashic readings link form. And once you register yourself in that, we'll be giving you the Zoom ID. So you can join us live and have your Akashic readings read. So just for the new people, I want to introduce what exactly Akashic reading is. Everything, whatever is happening around us, is getting continuously recorded. Me speaking to you now, or you listening to me, and you seeing all the things that is happening around me, using all the things that's happening around you, how you are cognizing it, and what kind of temperature are you experiencing right now. Everything, every single thing is getting continuously recorded. Yesterday we had a person telling that they had a problem in manifesting Sadashivam for them, even though they had an Akashic reading read. And even after the blessing of Kalabhairava himself in the Akashic reading, there was something that was stopping him to manifest the Sadashivam happen. Though you don't need to worry, it will surely manifest for you. Now, if there is something like that blocking, you can again come and ask the whole. The Akashic reading is there for you. You can ask your whole problem, just tell out your whole problem, this is what is the thing, and you can get the blessings of Kalabhairava and manifest Sadashivam for you. See, understand, when we tell, Swami just told this so many times, that when we tell that wealth is a problem, that is really not a problem for us. We may tell, yes, I don't have enough wealth to come, how will I be able to make it for Sadashivam, or I don't have enough resources to get money, how am I going to make it for any program that I want to. But I want all of you to understand, wealth itself can never become a blockage, because there's so many people who earn less than 500 rupees per day, much lesser than that, and they make it for Sadashivam. They made so many people, they made it for Sadashivam. From somewhere the money just flows. Like yesterday how I was sharing my experience regarding this whole wealth manifestation. I didn't do anything there. I just trusted so much and the whole thing happened for me. So same way that whole thing can be possible for you all also. Money itself is just an external thing that is there. What really is blocking is the mind within yourself. See, even the person whom we had, who was asking us yesterday about this manifesting Sadashivam and it didn't happen, it is not that it is something external that is blocking, it is something internal that is blocking. And you don't need to worry for that also, because now you can come for Akashic reading and you can even get blessed and you can find out what pattern in you was exactly blocking you from Sadashivam. And once you get the blessings of Kalabhairava himself to complete it, you'll simply see how a huge new dimension in your life is going to open up for you. You can ask any question regarding the power manifestation and Akashic reading. don't ask me any of your personal questions. It's just a small request for you, because your personal questions you can get it answered in the Akashic readings. You can come here physically to Bengaluru Adinam, and the Balasans here will be answering your questions live. They'll be letting Kalabera's energy to flow through them, and they'll be able to answer all the questions that whatever you're asking. And Akashic reading is like everything is getting recorded, and that whole recording can be accessed from a person who is in that space of Sadashivoham, who is experiencing that space of oneness with everything, oneness with the cosmos, and in the highest integrity of the master. When that connection, when that feeling connection, that integrity is established, and that whole space of Sadashivoham, where you are in that bliss, continuously experiencing the cosmic energy flow through you, and the deep feeling connection with the master, and the highest integrity of the master, when that whole space is there in you, you'll simply see any question that you're having, you'll be able to see the answers in the Akashic readings. Like the Chitsapa Nayakar Murti, Swamiji Murti that you're able to see behind me. That is a Murti which all the Balasans here use, where they first get themselves settled in their body and get into the space of the deep feeling connection with the master. And after that, they won't be there in the body as they are, like how right now. They'll simply let the cosmic energy to flow through them. Kalabera's energy will start flowing through them. Once that energy starts flowing through them, they'll simply see that their whole thing about like relating to the body, it will be like disconnected. We have so many Balasans sharing their experience, telling that when I am doing the Akashic reading, I don't remember what I'm talking, or I don't remember who all came to me. I don't remember not what happened at that time. I'll feel like I was disconnected from my body. So from that space where Kalabera himself has landed, they look at Swamiji's Murti through their third eye. The Murti that you're able to see behind me, they look at it through their third eye. And simply all the answers for whatever question that they're having, the answers for it will start appearing in golden letters, and they'll have it, and they'll just read it out, and it'll be the exact answer that the people will be looking for. So you can ask any question regarding the power manifestation or Akashic reading that you're having, anything that you want to ask about this, you can ask me. You can put it in the comment box. I'll read it and I'll answer it to you live. And I also wanted to share a few people's experiences regarding this Akashic reading. There's so many people who come up to me and tell the different experiences that they're having. One person, they wanted wealth. The same problem of this wealth thing for manifesting for Sadashivam they had. And she's actually from the UK. She had her Akashic reading read, and in the Akashic reading, the Balasan told that, don't worry, by today one person is going to come and give them wealth to you. And she's like, who is going to come and give me here? I didn't even tell people that I'm going to go for Sadashivam. And really, some random person suddenly that day came to her home and told, Amma, I want you also to come and join me in Sadashivam. So I'm just gifting this wealth to you. And the whole wealth that she needed to make it for Sadashivam just came to her. Not even one full day. That same day, the whole wealth happened for her. This, so many miracles keep happening. That's because the one thing in them is that, yes, they're trusting Swamiji. They're trusting what Kalabera is reading through this Akashic readings. That's all. And the whole thing just happens. So like this, even you guys can get the experience for yourself. Like so many blockages that you might be having, so many ups and downs that you might be going through, or anything where you are waiting for a breakthrough in your life, where you are feeling that if this part is gone out of my life, I'll be the most happiest. You need such thing. Or you have like, no, I'm able to be happy in all the other things. Only in this one part alone, I'm not able to be happy. Or you might be having a problem of like how much ever I work, I'm somehow not able to make this wealth happen for me. I am the person who's tirelessly working, yet no wealth is happening for me. I am the person who is so compassionate, speaking to people, they're not friendly with me, but that person selfishly behaving, just cheating them, and they're so friendly with them. Like there's so many ideas keep going in our head. Now all those ideas, all those questions that we're carrying need to get answered. Otherwise they're constantly bugging us and we're not able to focus on what we are supposed to be doing. We go on getting distracted with all this. Now those questions you can come and physically you can come in the breathing space of the Balasans here who will be channeling Kalabhaira's energy through them, and you can get your Akashic readings revealed to you through their bodies. Understand this whole thing, why physically you are to, like, or why should you be in listening to that Balasans when they're answering, why should you be with that space, is because the entanglement can happen. Entanglement, Swamiji calls it as Shaktini Pada. This Shaktini Pada, the entanglement, is what something like mirroring of the neurons. For example, when you're going in the breathing space of Swamiji, when Swamiji is sitting, when you go close to him or when you go next to him, you'll simply see something in you will feel so much, like in the ecstasy, it will be so much joy will start coming in within you. You'll be able to see it, you'll be able to experientially feel it. That joy which is coming in you when you're going in the breathing space of Swamiji, or that joy which is coming in you when you're just sitting under the banyan tree here, all these different experiences is nothing but the entanglement that you're having with that space, or the entanglement that you're having with Swamiji. That is the way when we manifest powers also. Manifesting powers, we do nothing other than sitting and entangling with Swamiji. Swamiji sat for around 12 hours continuously or 15 hours continuously in so many sessions in Sadashivam. He didn't even move from that place. He was sitting and entangling people. And suddenly the power started manifesting through them. So this entanglement can happen when you're physically available. The Sadashivam participants didn't do anything else other than being physically available. That's all they did. And 85% of them started manifesting powers. They're all new people and they started manifesting powers. Okay, so we have a person asking, can a person develop these power like the third eye by itself? And if that is possible, will the person see through the third eye? I mean blindfold reading. You have manifesting powers is possible, but you need proper guidance for that. Only when a person who's having that experience is there, you can get initiated and you can start manifesting. See, people go on telling so many different ways to awaken third eye, 2 minutes you can awaken your third eye, all these things. But only when you're having a master who has actually experienced it, he'll be able to guide you through that path. He'll be able to take you and make sure your third eye is awakened and make you manifest the powers. Otherwise, you can be sitting and doing tapas for years together and have it manifested. But when is that going to happen for you? You want it immediately, then get it answered, like get your third initiated now from Swamiji and manifest it. See, it's very simple. A burning wick or a burning lamp can only light another lamp. Of course, you can tell, yeah, I can go, why should I light my lamp only through this burning lamp? I can even go and make a matchstick and create a matchstick, and from that I can go light the lamp. But how long is it going to take? Are you going to wait until then? You going, sitting and making a matchstick, creating a matchstick, and then lighting a lamp? Or it's simple to light a lamp through the lit lamp. It's just like that. It's as simple as that. Only when the master was actually having the experiences there in your life, when you're coming to his breathing space and getting initiated from him, you simply see how amazingly the power starts manifesting through you. And of course, you will be able to do blindfold reading. We had so many adults do blindfold reading. They were able to close their eyes and see. Not just see what is there next to them. They were able to sit here and see what is there in different countries. Adults, I'm talking about adults also. So you can surely manifest the power. But for the initial level, for the startup to happen, you need a master in your life. Having a master in life is very, very, very important, because only he will be able to guide you properly. He will only be able to take you through that path because he's already experienced it. And also you need to understand one more thing. when you're doing something without the guidance of a master, you may give up the science in the middle itself. There'll be no one to hold you and tell, no, it is possible for you. Because our mind is very cunning. It is waiting for a chance just to stop and grab your attention away from this, just distract you from this path. Because once you're starting to manifest powers, that means you're going closer to the source of yourself. You're going to find the real you. Then the mind loses its existence. So mind does not want that to happen. That is why it is continuously trying to somehow distract you away. So when you're starting to manifest the powers, if you're trying to do it on your own, you will see that you'll try a few times, and if it does not work out, you'll give up on yourself and you'll get into the worst depression. You'll just not have the trust at all in your own self and not have trust at all in this powers, and you'll destroy yourself. So the safest path is to enjoy the master, and you'll be able to experientially feel that whole thing. You'll be able to, it'll be such a sweet moment and sweet journey, like, to have it along with the master rather than doing it by yourself.
And back, you just withdraw yourself from them.
So we have Banak Lagi. She's asking, why does the manifestation of blindfold reading seem to take more time than children? See, Swamiji is beautifully told that
Give your full life.
adults are not criminals. Surely they'll also be able to manifest the power. It's just that they're little cunning. See, from the childhood until now, like for so many years, we have been exposed to some toxic thought currents within ourselves. And especially when you're too, like, when you grow too much, like, you, after a long time in the same thought current, in the same toxic thought current, then you will see that other than that thought current, everything else, you will not be able to change it immediately. It will become like a solid wall in you.
Just through you,
The
that's Swamiji wants.
negative thought currents, the toxic thought patterns become solid in you. So when the new possibility is shown to you, you don't believe it because you just deny it, telling, how is it even possible? All these years I have lived with this thought current and this is what is me. How is it even possible? But children are not like that. They're like fresh, young,
Hold back onto this.
new, fresh minds. So they will be able to manifest it very easily because they don't have that negative thought current. See, that is why a young bamboo is easier to bend than an old bamboo. Both are bamboo only, but the way what is happening in the bamboo and how strong it is, that's the same way. That young cognition and old cognition. It's not about the body here. It's not at all about the body. It is about the cognition that you are holding. If you are, how much ever old you may be, but if you are having a cognition which is very flexible, you're so complete that you just trust the master and make everything happen for yourself, then you can manifest it much easier. Just one initiation, just one word of Swamiji is enough, you'll be able to manifest it. So kids and adults both can manifest. It's just that adults may take little more time, and now you don't even need to worry about that because just in 21 days, during Sadashivam, Swamiji just sat entangled, removed the toxic thought currents from all the participants and made all of them manifest powers. So even if you're an adult, you don't need to worry. Just be here physically present with Swamiji and you'll simply see how the powers manifest through you. You don't need to do anything. And we have Alberto. How can I complete my root pattern? Root pattern completion is possible. But again, you need to have someone to guide you because you may start completion, you'll start the completion, but after some time, you become tired about yourself. Because you see so many incompletions running in you, you just give up on yourself, become tired about yourself, and you'll not look in more. Now, this whole thing of root pattern completion, the whole thing of changing your cognition can be made much more easier when the whole connection with the master is there and you are in the breathing space of Swamiji. So it's very, very, very important for you to be in the physical presence of Swamiji, and Swamiji himself will guide you through the whole process, and he'll make sure your root pattern is cleared. See, even if you do completion, even if you do years of tapas, see, there were so many asuras in the Puranas. They also did years of penance, but were they all able to manifest all these powers? Were they all able to get out of their root pattern? No. But now see all of us. See yourselves. By being in the presence of Swamiji, you're able to be so light. No, we're not sitting and doing penance, or we're not sitting and doing any sadhana. Just being in the presence of Swamiji, we're able to manifest so many powers. So all it takes is just being in the physical presence of Swamiji, and you'll simply see how light and how beautiful your whole life becomes. You can have your Akashic readings read. You just register, and surely we'll send you the Zoom link ID, and you can have your Akashic readings read. And about these powers, when you start manifesting the powers, the trust on yourself will become really, really, really strong. I'll be sharing the form with you soon. I'll be in the same comments. I'll share the link with you. You can register in that. And yes, you do have an opportunity to meet Swamiji. I'll tell you the next program details also in my next video. So I'll be joining all of you tomorrow, again in this around the same timing, and you can have all your questions about the Akashic readings answered live. Thank you, Nityananda.